team, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Spain News Network. It's time 9 p.m. bulletins. I'm Madiha Saeed with international headlines. Myanmar cop protesters face up to 20 years in prisons under new law. Myanmar's military has warned anti-cop protests across the country that they could face up to 20 years in prisons if they obstruct the armed forces. Bill Gates solving COVID easy compared with climate, 51 billion and 0. The two numbers Bill Gates says you need to know about climate. Solving climate change would be the most amazing thing humanity has ever done, says the billionaires founder of Microsoft. Meteor lights up Melbourne skies. People have captured a video of a meteor dramatically distracting in the skies above Melbourne, Australia. COVID-19 first travellers arrive in UK for hotel quarantine stay. The first travellers required to stay at quarantine hotels have begun arriving at Heathrow Airport. All British and Irish citizens and UK residents who arrive in England after being in a high-risk COVID country now have to self-isolate in hotels. Mercedes-Benz is recalling more than 1 million cars over a safety defect with the car's emergency call system. Police in New York City have arrested a man after a string of stabbings on the city's subway that left 2 people dead and 2 injured.